get hung up on. There we go. Oh, I'm waiting for the bees. Hi folks, Brent back here again. And today, we're building a race car. Yes, I know this isn't a race car, but this is what's going to help me get to it. And she don't look like much, but trust me, she's a runner. I'm just still waiting for the bees to get after me. So, it doesn't look too bad. Let's get to it. Okay, so let's check that gas tank there. Oh, that's dry. Yeah, unless you count all the stuff floating in the bottom of it, that's going to plug the fuel filter, but oh well. Let's throw some juice in her. Not on her, in her. I'm only going to fill her up about halfway, because she'll probably leak all of it out anyway. No clue how this thing even runs, but you know, we'll get after her here. Now, for those of you saying, oh, how the hell's that thing going to start? Well, let me tell you something. She's not as bad as you'd think. Yeah, there's no battery in it. So, quick trick for you. Excuse me. You don't need a battery on a lawnmower. That's just convenience. So what you do is you grab your jump pack, turn her on, turn your key on. I don't even think it works, but whatever. Pray it's in neutral. Find a ground somewhere, I think. I don't even know where I'd find one on this thing. Yeah, you'll do. And just do this. Almost. Wow, that thing is just getting chewed to death. Whatever, let's go. Come on. Oh, she ain't running over a year, I don't think, but let's try her again. Ooh, that's a lot of sparks. There we go. Now, this thing didn't come with a muffler, so I put one on and it's super loud. I apologize. Good enough to run, right? Oh yeah, just like I remember. Terrible. Up. There we go. Come on. this little windsock on my microphone, but gotta make sacrifices, I guess. Wait until you all see the beauty concealed within. Get out of here. There you go. More stuff. Cool. Oh yeah, good scummy water. Sweet. Oh yeah, disgusting. Just like it should be. She's full of bungee cords and rust and I don't even know what else. But she's a starting point. And I think it's high time we finally did something with her. Every single tire's flat on this thing. Oh boy. I put caster wheels underneath it to move it around and they're all destroyed. Great. This is what you get when you buy from Harbor Freight. Well, could you believe that all of these things were flat? And they all took air? That one is actively leaking. I guess I should have suspected otherwise, but look at her. Hang on a tick. Yeah, we don't need that. I got this thing for like next to nothing, and I figure I got enough spare parts to build a new one. It looks good from afar, but it's far from good looking. So I'll show you all in a minute. I gotta get my starter out again. Oh, she's still on. Oh well. Guess we've done worse, right? Just don't like putting it there. Ooh, she popped at me. There we go. Oh, that's not good. This thing's gonna hit this shed here, so just gotta go like this. Get her out far enough that I don't know. Maybe it won't. Let's see here. Maybe I should get the truck. Springtime is not a great time to do this, I guess. It's very soft. Ah yeah, I'll just haul it right out of there, I'm sure. It sound like I'm breathing heavy, because I certainly am. Why are you here? Heave! Come on, little lawnmower. Pull. Keep going, for the love of God. At least it's slow enough I can go catch up to it. Yeet. Come on, you little devil. Oh, we're still going. So here it is in the light. It's all pretty much there. Ooh, there we go. I can see everything. It's got the trailer arms in it. It's got some buckets. These obviously are screw jacks. Anyway, it's got a battery box. It's still got lead in it, for God's sakes. There's no X in the chassis in the bottom, but I don't know. It's got the plate on the door bars already. My dad and I put this front clip on, or the front hoop on, I should say. It's not the clip, but the hoop. Needs a little bit of help, but it's not too bad. I think we could make this into something. Here's the motor I picked up yesterday from my brother's shop. I got the transmission down here. I've got, oh my God, look at the rack of parts. I mean, I got the exhaust manifolds because I'm not allowed to run headers on this kind of engine. I got different other assorted engine parts. I got different clutch parts sitting over here. All sorts of stuff, brake parts. Like, I have all sorts of things to go with this. I got enough tires to do it. Well, wheels, I should say. I got a rear end sitting right down there. That'll go with my other transmission here. Again, parts city. Just parts on parts on parts on parts, and springs and shocks and rear ends and transmissions and suspension components and shocks and all sorts. I think I said shocks already. Spindles and, oh my God, so many things. I think in order to get this thing going properly, we'll probably have to put the transmission and engine together and get it mounted into the chassis, which I have another bell housing down here I'm looking at. And that way I could put the tin work in, which I have all this sheet metal left over from when I did the tins the last time. And there's a lot more than what it looks like. I mean, you look back here, it's just layers and layers of sheet metal. And I think we can get at least most of the tin work done with that. If I need more sheet metal, I can pick some up. It's not a really big deal. The only real issue I'll have is probably putting a carburetor together. That'll be a little pricey. I have enough exhaust pipe to do a second exhaust. I've got a drive shaft. Yeah, I think I got to pick up brakes or something. I mean, I have enough stuff to put together a spare chassis. Why not build it for YouTube? Simple enough, right? I got fuel cells, I got fuel lines, I got, God, just, I think it's just the little things that are really going to hang me up. I don't expect to have this thing out this year or anything like that, but there you go. Now you see my new project sitting there. I got both cars here. This one's basically ready. Nice shiny new exhaust down there that I put on to keep the carbon monoxide out of my face when I'm sitting in line waiting. I got a bunch of stuff to do to it, and don't look at any of this because blur. And then I got this. And what's really funny is this is exactly how this started. See, back in 2015, I wasn't racing because I built my brother's car in 2013, which you saw in the last video, and I was going to race that, and then I moved to this house in this garage, which didn't have anywhere near as much stuff in it then as it does now. And then, oops, sorry, dropped the camera. I figured out, well, they didn't figure out, but we kind of found out, that my wife was pregnant. Race car had to go. So it went to my brother. And I didn't race in 2014. My dad came to me in 2015 and said, hey, do you want a car? Do you want to go racing again? I said, that's not even a question you have to ask. I want to go. So we put this thing the same way. It was literally a bare chassis, no tin work, just a cage and a frame, just like that. And so, I think it's high time we do it again. I know I'm one of those people who is a very low budget racer. And I always complain about not having money, which every racer is going to do. They're always going to complain that they don't have money. But I want to race, like really bad. And if it starts to become a problem, then I don't do it. Simple as that. Like 2020, I had no plans of racing at all. So I know how to at least control myself when it comes to finances now, and I know that I can at least be more responsible than I used to be. So if I can piece this car together, I don't have any time frame, and that's perfect. Not having a time frame to put something together is exactly how I want to do this. I just want it to be together, and I might take it to Waterford, or I'll have a spare car, or I'll sell it. I don't even know what I'm going to do with it, to be completely honest with you. I might just get rid of it. But it's worth more to me, and any race will tell you this. A rolling, driving, running chassis or anything is always going to be worth more than a hulk of metal sitting in your yard. There's the intro to this new project. Again, I've been hoarding parts for 20 years along with my dad and brother, and I think we can scrape together enough stuff to put this thing together and maybe get it on the racetrack in, I don't know, a year or two. We'll see, but I think it'll be a lot of fun. I got another month at least before this thing is going to go on the racetrack. And this thing is basically done except for scaling it. But I figured I could tinker around and film some videos. So that'll do it for this video, guys. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. You know, and help me grow this channel. God, it's warm out today. It's like the first 80-degree day in New England this year, I swear to God. But like and subscribe if you can. I appreciate it if you'd help me out to grow this thing. I'm just a short track racer, family man, absolute nobody, and you can tell by what you saw outside that I do everything on my own most of the time. I mean, when you're using a tractor, a lawn tractor that you don't even cut the grass with, you just use it to tow things around the yard, and you let it go on its own, and you push the push the thing from behind, ghost riding a mower to get the thing out. It's just, you can tell what kind of shade tree stuff we do. And again, it's kind of hard for a short track racer to really film what they do, because short track racers are funny. They don't like to give out secrets and stuff, and they don't even like people looking at their cars. So it's really hard for me to do, but I think fabrication and all this other fun stuff will be a lot for everybody to enjoy. So we'll get the channel fired back up here, and since the warmer months are coming, and we can get some more projects done. And maybe it won't be all race car stuff, but maybe we'll have some fun tinkering along with cars and stuff on the way. So I'm appreciative. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you can.